Okay, my second order had arrived, and we didn't have much time to assemble it, but right now we are assembling it, and Celine is getting ready to assemble it. Get a scissors. So as expected, as in 80 centimeters yung haba ng table, so I'm really happy kasi yun ang expected ko na size niya. Kasi iba yung sasabi 80 centimeters tapos hindi naman pala pagdating. So yun, ito maganda. Sige, let's open na. Alright, so today we are unboxing a desktop computer desk notebook table, foldable, free installation, simple bedside, something like that. And it is from ESTELLE official store. So we ordered this in Lazada. It arrived 10 days after. And it came with a bubble wrap. Okay. So safe good siya. There's also like a foam inside. Not just a bubble wrap for the wrap, you know, not just a bubble wrap for the wrap, but there's also like a foam para dili gid siya ma-damage. Naamagod sa una nahitabo, na-damage ang iyang sides, you know. Ang iyang sides pag abot diri, dili na mao, wala na maitsura. So, thank you.
Wow! Mabili ako na rin para bangkon sa akong bike.
Hey, there's also a screwdriver.
Yeah.
Pila ka box screw? No, that's a screwdriver. Kanang screw, when I say screw, kanang kuan?
12.
Kato, 12? O, sige.
12?
12 maka. Okay kayo? Yeah. Nah, there is.
Kadungdum ka ng install.
No, I noticed this is not the kind of brown that I ordered. But it's just okay. Wala lagi ako sa wood. I ordered really the deep brown for this one because it's really nice. Okay, so let's set it aside. Hinay lang. This is the main table. Tanawa. So, taas siya. Okay, I'm happy because ang mouse man good, I can run through any side. Karon man good, it's so limited. So, maragalisod ko. Okay, sige na.
Okay.
Let's start assembling this table. I'm gonna put the item name in Lazada and in Shopee so you will know. So, the kind of wood niya ilang gihatag is, oh my god, it's sturdy. Dili gid siya kuan ha. Sturdy. I like it. It's really sturdy. There is a naagani kay choice between white and brown. If you want this to be the dili no kay na naman. So you cannot. You just have to use the brown really because there's a real area here.
Wala siya dari.
Yeah, I know. It looks like a hala, musig lawaan. Do I know what lawaan is? I don't know what type of wood is this, but it really is nice. Tapos, gipasinaw nilag maayo. And so, marine. Yeah, it's marine plywood. Plyboard. It's a marine plyboard daw, ingon nila.
Tingnan ko na kulang.
Pero, what kulang? What is kulang?
Di kulang.
My God.
The J.
Ha?
Yes, the J.
Hala, ang kuan. Ano, unsaon?
Aji.
Ilalam.
Wala.
Wala, good ba?
Wala.
Ay, nako.
Aji na.
Unsaon na lang, ana.
Aji na.
Tadawa kay ayo kay. So, according to my daughter, there's kulang. The J, which is the brace. Diba? Okay, try again.
Tingnan ko siya,
Ha?
O, duwa man na, kani, muna siya ang C, muna siya ang C, muna siya ang B, muna siya ang A. Manong J?
Dahil mo nagkakayo na.
Duha ka J.
Oh, I'm so scared. Okay.
Nawala, kulangan, duwa ko.
Kana lagi silang duha.
Asam ni isko.
Ito na, lahi kayo, lahi idud siya. Tanaw ka, lahi idud siya.
Okay, this is the manual. The manual doesn't have any
Asam ni isko.
instruction. Where's my glasses? Okay, so because there's no written instruction.
Ano?
That's it na be. Mo na be.
Ang sa lugar ng J lugar, ano?
That's-
May J, asa man na ito, asa man na.
JX2.
Duha ka J, nga asa na wala man lagi. Ano?
Where do you see J here in the manual?
Here, J. Muna siyang A, muna ni asa man lugar ang J. Where?
Ay, kaning duha ka stick. Oh my God. Saan man sila eh? Yan na, yan na. Ako picturean. Kulang siya. This is the only one. Sige na. Here. Dead. Kato na yun. So, it's the J ang nagkulang. How about the picturean ako? For assembling, you just have to check your materials kung okay na siya. So, we checked A, na isa kabuok. Isang A. Can you point out asan ang A dyan? A, that's the A. Okay. Alright, so that's the A. And then B, isa daw. Which is katong gamay. Okay, very good. And then, ang C, kato, isa kabuok.
The D,
the D kana, duha kabuok. Tama. Ang E, 12 kabuok. Ang E is the shorter screw. 9 ra siya, kulang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9, kulang siya ng tatlo. F, or si F, which is the itong block. Apat. Okay. Tama.
Tama ni.
Ha? Apat pa katong F. G, na G katong screwdriver. Walay kuan ba? Allen ba? Naa dapat allen. Walay allen. Isa. Tapos, ang J niya, dapat duha. Braces.
So not so bad because it could still stand even without that brace. It's just that it became less sturdy.
Tapos, kulang ang J. This is the last one. Kani, braces ni siya nga duha ka buok. Wala, which is very important. So, kulang siya braces from here to there. The drill should be here. So, you can attach the katong stick. Duha ka J item
Asa may
J.
screw ni mo, mandya.
Okay. Tapos, look at this. Oh, mao ni. Oh. So, amo na siyang ipasulda.
So this is the negative side of ordering online because you don't see the defect. And it's hard to return, asking for refund, it's all hassle.
So because wala gyud siya, kulang gyud siya dire. Wala ang brace dinhi.
Dapat na agi dire.
Dapat na gyud siya. So kulang man siya, wala siya ang brace. So wala gyud i-drill nila oh.
Lolo man.
So we were able to let it stand.
Overall, I think this is a factory defect. Nice and easy. So mahal ni siya sa una because it's so smooth here. Tapos, insakto ra gyapon ang iyang lens, makabutang ka og laptop here and then on the other side na gamay.
Makabatong ang tiis.
Okay, so dito, naapoy mabutangan nimo dito. But the only thing is, na-notice na ko siyang mirog factory defect kay tanawa. Look at this side here. See? So, ila ra ning gi-repair din here. They cannot they can't sell it. Kanina, i-repair. Tapos, on top of that, ang dinhidayon. Oh, see? Ting, 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 ting. Kabubuhay siya. So, kung ako siyang uyugon,
idikit siguro ma.
Ako siyang uyugon, it really is. Which means that, kulang yun siya sa iyang necessary brace para di kaya siya mauyog, no? Naaunta siya dito sa ilalom, pero wala yun siya, nagkulang.
Siguro ni Ana, oh.
Yeah. So, it's still a happy find, a happy buy. This is from ESTELLE. I'm gonna put the link below sa ilang company. Pero malagi na this one is really nicer than my current table. So it's okay.
So here we go. It's all set up and I'm really happy. It paired with my new chair as well. And I'm good to go. My name is Barbara. This is the Pajama Boss channel.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.